So today, guys, we're going to be building a PC. That is the CMOS battery right there. Just gotta do that because I want to be, because that's what all the videos do. And that thing is a CPU socket, but I lost the CPU somehow. I don't know. The power supply. That's the motherboard thing. And this the graphics card. This the crap. Whoops! I forgot to put my hands on here because I don't want to cause static discharge. Ha 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 ha. So yeah, I'm just gonna lift this off here. I don't know how to. These cables look like they should be disconnected. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna. Yeah, like the CPU, the processor just disappeared. Battery. So now we're gonna be turning it on, see what happens. Social experiment on PCs. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, guys. So we just have to connect this thing over here. And this should work. I am correct. So, okay. Wait a minute. Rage quit. No, that was just a prank. Those are funny. Okay, turn it on. Thing. Seeing if it works. See anything, guys? See anything? There it is. Whoops. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Yay! It didn't fall. Okay, guys, this is the part where I put down my camera and do stuff that you can't see at all. So let me piss you off. I do it anyways. Okay. So, I think that looks pretty good. Hold on. No, it's not. Now, I'm going to be turning it on. Now, we're going to be... It's my asthma. Turning it on. It's not turning on for some reason. That's strange. I mean, that doesn't even make sense. So yeah, guys, that's how you build a PC. That thing looks like it's gonna fall out. So yeah, that is how you build a PC, guys. So yeah, like use these tips. Very clear.